Well, good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Morning, still got the hat. I nearly lost it.
Day 2. It's time yet. Right. Today we are in Puerto del Rosario, I believe, in Fuerteventura. So it's the Fuerteventura cruise terminal down there. In the background was the old Marella Voyager. We're going to have a look around. Don't think we've been here before, but we may have been. We never know. We never know. We think we haven't, and then we go, oh, we've been here. Anyway, we're going to have a look around, so come and join us.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're home free.
Oh, pleasant enough seafront and a nice beach. I'd guess the beach is man-made due to this being volcanic. Another volcanic island, which of course all the Canaries are, I believe. So it looks like a man-made beach. Oh, Puerto del Rosario. Oh, and still got a hat, so it's 6 minutes later and still got the hat. Doing well.
I'm doing a thingy. What's the face?
Not bloody mad. No. Well, it's a big well. So far, not particularly impressed. It's it's a nice beach.
Yeah, it's a nice walk on the front.
So at the moment we're still on. Well, not exactly awe-inspiring. No. We're now walking down one of the main streets, and yeah, it is what it is. So we've made it to the shopping centre. Wow, that's great. This could be the highlight. Well, I guess you'd say the shopping centre is a shopping centre. It's quite busy in here. Oh yeah, what other? Here we are in a shoe shop. And somebody's trying shoes on. Not me. Well, the cloud's broken up a little bit since we've been in the shopping centre. It's sun's popping through, so that puts a bit of a better perspective on everything. Decent shopping centre if you're into shopping. No complaints really, there's everything in there. Shoes purchased. Lord, the hat nearly went to Burton down the road. So, day 1 of hat ownership is not going well. But we still got it. At least you didn't leave it in the shoe shop.
No, I did say to you.
Well, we've made it to number 3 on the tourist map. So the main square. There we go, beautiful. Well, we've found we call it a fun fair. It seems to be being renovated or built or cleaned or something. It's certainly not open. Ah, gritting my eyes. It's quite windy.
Well.
It's got sand in the wind, so like having your eyeballs sandblasted. And I've got my glasses on, but still gritted my eyeballs. Very nice. But of course Canary Islands are famous for their breeziness. Oh, feed the birds, tuppence a bag.
He's a painter.
Tuppence, totally ain't painting much. And so we have arrived at the Lady of our Rosary, or Lady of the Rosary Church. Lovely. And a nice square.
We've done everything.
It's okay. And I can see a big mural thing up on the wall there. I'll show you that. There we go. Nice mural on the wall. There's lots of them around the town.
Be alright, because the white.
Well, we've had a good walk around, and I'd say this is more of a commercial town than a tourist hotspot. There is a nice beach, but other than that, it doesn't seem that touristy. Anyway, that's this place.
We've got shoes.
Yeah, Julie's got some shoes on, still got the hat on her head, so she's doing well. So we'll see you on the next one. If you've got any questions, as usual, just leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.
No, it's raining on our heads.
Make a loan, change a life. Well, we've been supporting Lencare for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the simplest ways I've found to make a real difference in the world. Through Lencare, I help small business owners across the globe grow their businesses, support their families, and build better futures. And the best part is, you can do the same. There's already a fantastic community of over 90,000 people lending, and together we're creating real positive change, one small loan at a time. If you'd like to get involved, I can help you get started. When you join using my link, you'll receive £15 free credit to make your very first loan, so you can try it out and see the impact for yourself. This is not a donation, you actually lend the money and watch how it helps someone build a better life. I find it incredibly rewarding. If you enjoy our travel videos and stay in the world like we do, this is a brilliant way to give something back to it. Give it a go today, and let's make a difference together. Lend with care. Follow the link or check the description in the video.
Well, the sun's rising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK